Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to turn off the setting that allows our application to install another applications from unknown source in Samsung Galaxy S22 to be exact. So where to look for this setting? We need to go to settings, then apps, then at the top right we have three button menu and special access, and here we have install unknown apps. So right now we have a few applications that are allowed to install applications from unknown source. Let's turn them off, and now no application will be able to install applications from unknown source. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.